Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read yasu, or kyuu in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to rest. It has 6 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like kyuu. On its own, it is usually yasu. A person leaning against a tree to take a rest. Now, let's write it. 6 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen, in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Yasumu, yasumu means to rest. Yasumi, yasumi means holiday. And kyuujitsu, kyuujitsu means day off. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Kaida, read karada, body. Mi, read ki, tree. Notice the small differences. So, that's kyuu, to rest. 6 strokes. Read yasu or kyuu. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.